Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to you all in our today's mathematics class. Today also I am present here to teach you about the topic highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of algebraic expressions. That as highest common factor we say H.C.F and the lowest common multiple we say L.C.M. This especially we are going to find the H.C.F and L.C.M of the algebraic expressions. Especially for the students of class 9 and 10, I am going to prepare this video material. So here, to find this, everybody know H.C.F and L.C.M. To find the H.C.F and L.C.M, at first the given algebraic expressions are to be factorized, so that our students have to be perfect in the factorization to find the H.C.F and L.C.M. If we are weak in factorization, then we can't find the H.C.F and LCM very easily. So here I will solve some problems here today, and I will make you clear. So here H.C.F means the product of common factors. First of all, we factorize the given algebraic expressions. Then after we have to find their common factors, which is present in all the expressions. We have to find the common factors. Then we have to multiply them. That is called the H.C.F. That means we can say in shortcut, H.C.F means product of common factors, and LCM means product of common factors and the remaining factors. That is defined as a LCM here. So all these students here, I have taken two examples and other more also I will take it here. So here first question is x cube plus 1, next expression x power 4 plus x square plus 1, next is x cube minus x square plus x. This is asking find the HCF of this expression. Highest common factor HCF, we have to find it. So all of you look it here. I am going to solve this first question. The A number I am going to solve it here. This is first expression, this is second expression, this is third expression. That means we have three expressions given in the question. The three expressions are here. That all the given expressions are to be factorized at first, then we have to find the HCF. Okay, so everybody before factorizing these all, you have to be clear in the some formula here, some factorization formula are here that I would like to list here on the board. So everybody will be here. Everybody, some expressions, if they are in the form of a cube plus b cube, then it's factorized form. Factorized form is, we know, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is factorized formula, we can say a cube plus b cube. This if the any expressions is in the form of a cube plus b cube, then we can write in the factorized form like this: a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So you have studied this formula in class 8, in class 9 also. Here another is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to, you know, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is another factorized formula. Similarly, a square minus b square, if we have, then this we can write in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So this is factorized, this is given expression, then this we can write in this factorized form. This is factorized form of this formula here. So we have to remember this formula, we have to keep this in our mind. Another one, if sometime there is given like this a plus b whole square. So this we can write 2 times a plus b into a plus b, we can write this, right? A plus b multiplied by a plus b. 2 times we have to write. This we should not expand in that expanded form. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square, you know. So in that expanded form we should not write. We have to write like this: a plus b whole square. If we have, then we can write a plus b into a plus b. If whole power cube we have, then a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, 3 times we can write. So this type of this is the expression. In this form, this is factorized form, we can say. So in this way we can do. So everybody will be clear in this formula. Another one, this also we use here. Sometimes a square plus b square is equal to, we know, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or another one, a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So like this we have done in the previous episode also. I have taught you how to factorize it. So now by being based on this factorized formula, this factorized form of the formula, we are going to solve this problem here. So all of you repeat a number. We have first expression, second expression, third expression. The third wise we have to factorize it. The first expression I am taking here. First expression is equal to, there is x cube plus 1. Okay. First expression is x cube plus 1. So everybody, we have to see everything there. We have to check the given expressions in which form it is there. So here if there is common, then we can take common. If there is possible to split the middle term, then we have to split the middle term. Everything we have to look it there. So x cube plus 1 we have, then this directly it is in formula, everybody you know. I think x cube plus this 1 also we can write 1 cube. So 1 also we can add 1 power cube, such that we can apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. So here we can write this x cube is as it is, and plus 1 we can write 1 power cube, such that it is in formula of a cube plus b cube now. Now it is gone in the formula of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is equal to, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So in this form we can write now. So everybody, let's write this. Apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. This considered as a and this one you can consider as a b. So a cube plus b cube is equal to, a plus b. That is x plus 1 a plus b writing. Now a square means x square minus ab represents here x into b is here 1 plus b square is 1 square, which you can do. So everybody, if you understand, then directly you can write here. I am showing in detail. This is x plus 1 here. This is x square and minus x multiplied by 1, then x as it is, plus 1 square is 1 square, 1 into 1, 1 so 1 you know. So this is the factors. These two are the factors of this x cube plus 1. So first expression is done factorization. Now similarly second expression we can take. Second expression is equal to, there is x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. This is the second expression. Everybody, okay, this is second expression, very important expression. This expression usually asks in examination. X to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. So in such type of factorization, we know you are taught in the previous episode there, a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. How to factorize? Factorization of the algebraic expressions in the form of a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. I have taught you already. So this we can write this a power 4 and b power 4. We can do grouping. This we have to write together. Then after we can apply the formula of a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab we can do. So everybody, this we have to this also is in the same form of this line. So here we can write x power 4 plus 1 we can write here together, and plus this x square we can write back side. After this, these two expressions, these two terms, first two terms, we have to write in the form of a square plus b square. Then we can write x power 4, we can write x square, its whole square we write, plus 1 we can write 1 square, and this plus x square we have to put as it is. This after, this considered as a, okay, this considered as a b, everybody, this considered as a, this considered as a b, then a square plus b square formula we can write. You know a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or according to the requirement of question, this also we can use a minus b whole square plus 2ab also we can use. So this considering a square plus b square, that is we can write a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means x square. This a plus b means 1, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. 2 from formula into a is here x square, into b is here 1 plus x square. This like we can write this after another one, x square plus 1 is whole square minus 2 1 2 x square we can do this like plus x square we can do. So here is equal to x square plus 1 is whole square minus, everybody you know these two are minus, x square it is in plus, the plus minus we have to subtract it, the 2x square minus x square, and 2 is greater here, greater sign we have to write, this is minus, we have to write here this. Okay, after this you are not already here, I have listed here, a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. Look at here, this is considered a, this we can consider a, this x so we can consider b. Then a square minus b square formula is, you know, a plus b into a minus b. So let's write here, a square minus b square, a square minus b square is equal to, we know, that is, we can write a plus b. A plus b means what we write? A is here x square plus 1. X square plus 1, this is a plus b. B represents here x, a plus b writing. Now a minus b, that is x square plus 1 is a minus b is here x. So this we can write by arranging the given terms, x square plus this x we have to write in middle, plus this 1 we have to write back. Similarly here x square, this minus x we have to write in middle, and this plus 1 is writing back. So these are the two factors of this expression, x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So everybody, I think you are clear, you can understand this. Now third expression is remaining. First expression is already done, factorize here, these two terms we are getting. Second expression we did, then these two factors we are getting, and then similarly this third expression we have, third expression. Third expression is equal to, we have there is x up to the power cube minus x square plus x. So all these students, everything we have to check. The given terms we have to, given expressions, in which form it is. Either we have their chance to take the common or not, or it is possibility to break the middle term or not, or similarly we have to apply the formula a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Everything we have to check. Then accordingly we have to do. So this third expression, what we can do? Can you tell me? X cube minus x square plus x. So here x is present here also, here also, here also. That means we can take x common here. So let's take common x here. X common we can take, bracket we can put. X to the power cube is there. One x is taken outside common. There remains x square inside. Minus out of this x square, x are taken common outside. Then one x still remains there. And plus this x already common here outside. So only one. Nothing is remaining to one we can write. So now we can't do anything here. So this much only. This expression is third expression we will write only this much. Therefore, everybody now we are writing HCF here. HCF is equal to, you know, HCF means here product of common factors. Let's see what are the common factors here. Let's check it here. Common factors, what are here? Here is x plus 1. Here we don't have in second expression. Here also we don't have, so no common. Here is x square minus x plus 1 in first term, first expression. Here also x square minus x plus 1 in second expression. Here also x square minus x plus 1. So x square minus x plus 1 is present in all the expressions. That is, this is common here. So we can write x square minus x plus 1 is our answer. Other are not common. So only this one is our answer. So everybody, so before finding the HCF and LCM, the factorization we have to do. That is, factorization is very important things. So the given expressions, all the given expressions are to be factorized, then only we can find the HCF and LCM. So similarly, LCM has been, let's learn here LCM also how we can find. LCM asking, LCM means product of common factors and remaining factors. So let's write here common factors. Let's write common factors x square minus x plus 1. Now remaining factors we can write remaining factors, then x plus 1 remaining in first, x plus 1 remaining. Another one is remaining here, what is? X square plus x plus 1 remaining, that also we can write x square plus x plus 1, and finally this x also remaining, this x I can write also this front side, so this right. So only this one. This we can write here x square minus x plus 1, x plus 1, if it is possible to multiply in the simplest form, then we can multiply this x, so we can't write it, keep saying. And everybody, this and this we can write in the form of a cube plus b cube also. Everybody you know, x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 means what? X plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 means x cube plus 1 we can write. So this we can write x cube plus 1, because x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1, if we multiply these two terms, then we can get x cube plus a cube plus b cube, that means x cube plus 1 we can write here. this writing, and this another one is getting x square plus x plus 1. We can write this one is our answer. So all these students, sometimes you can write, if not this line, then another you can write x into x plus 1 as it is you can write, and x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. These two are the factors of x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So instead of writing this x into x plus 1 and these two multiplied, then we can get x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. This also you can write as well. So this much is our answer for the question number A. Now similarly, second number, B number I am going to do here. B number look it here. Question number B. For the B number, look it here. We have to factorize first term, first expression we have to take first. First expression is equal to, everybody, you learn the factorization, okay? How to factorize it? A square minus B, so we can apply here. In which form is the given expression? So we have to check. First of all, we have seen here we don't have any common. This is only binomial terms, two terms only are here. So common is not possible. Then it is possible to convert in the form of a square minus b square. Everybody you know. So this we can write x square as it is minus b square we can do. 4y whole square we can do. 2y whole square we can do. So that 2 square is 4, y square is y square. Now everybody you know, very simple question it is. A square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to, you know, a plus b, a minus b, that is x plus 2y. Writing a plus b and a minus b, that means x minus 2y. So this first expression is done, factorize. So similarly second expression we can take. Second expression equal to x square plus xy minus 2y square. So such type of question is here. So this expression, everybody you can see here we don't have the common from all. This is trinomial 1, 2, 3 terms are here. So we don't have the common. It is not in the one particular formula here. So directly we can split the middle term. Everybody you can see. So type of question you have done in class 8 also. Okay. Factorization we come break how to split the middle term. You are taught. So this we can do x square minus xy minus 2 we have. So here last coefficient of y square is 2 we have. So you have to solve any two number whose product should be equal to 2. Okay. The last number 2 we have. Here x square coefficient is 1 we have. So last digit is 2 here. So we have to find any two such type of number whose product should be equal to this 2. And while subtracting, last sign is minus. While subtracting, it should come here 1. Middle term is there 1. So we have to split this. The 1 we have to bring. So let's say so here 2 1 the 2 becomes 1 is 2 1 the 2. Another other we don't have. So only this much. The 2 1 the 2. 2 minus 1. This 1 comes here. Everybody 2 and 1 if we multiply then 2 comes and 2 minus 1 then here 1 comes. So this we can write x square plus this 2 1 the 2, this 2 minus 1 we can do. When we multiply this 2 and 1 then 2 comes. When we subtract from 2 to 1 then we get 1. Here middle term we get. So this is split in the middle term. This xy we have to put minus 2y square. This we have to put as it is. So kind of question expression factorization in class 9 also you are taught. So here x square we can put plus this 2 multiple xy we can write 2xy, and this plus minus we can do 1 multiple xy, then xy only we write minus 2y square. We have to do like this. So here by breaking this middle term we are getting this 4 terms here, 1 2 3 4 terms we are getting. So we have to make the pair, this first 2 and second 2 we can make pair. After making pair we have to take common from here. So let's take common. What is common from these two? Everything looking nicely. Xy is here also x we have. Then x square, here x, this x is common, so we can take x common. The x square, out of this x square, one x is taken out, it still remains there another x. Plus is as it is. The x already common came, 2y remaining, so we can write 2y here. And minus, here we have to write here minus, and then minus we can write, here plus, then plus we can write. Here from back side to what is common? Can you tell me?
y and y square. Y is common, so y we can take common. Bracket is x remaining. X we have to put as it is. And here minus is taken common here. So this minus multiply minus, it becomes plus here. Sometimes student they do mistake here. So here minus is common taking. So minus common taking and minus multiply minus, this becomes plus here inside. So this 2 is remaining as it is, y square. Out of y square, one y is taken common, another y remains here. So this line you can write. So everybody, we have seen x plus 2y common here, x plus 2y common. So we can write only one x plus 2y here, and another is x minus y. So another x minus y we can write. So what is this much we can do? This is these two are the factors of this algebraic expressions. Okay. Now next question. Next expression we have third expression. Third expression I will here. Third expression we have here x minus 2y whole square plus 8xy. Students, please do not confuse. Here x minus 2y whole square we have plus 8xy. So here is this in any particular formula here? No, we don't have any formula. So everybody, let's expand this. We can do a minus b whole square. Expand it, then you will get the y here. So this we can expand it in the formula a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, you know, a square minus 2ab, 2 from formula into a means here x, into b means here 2y plus b square means we can add 2y whole square. I am applying the expanded form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula. This we can write plus this 8xy we can put as it is now. This after x square minus 2 to the 4xy we can do plus 2y square means we can write 4y whole square plus 8xy as it is we can put it here. After this, everybody, now this x square we have to put as it is. Now these two terms, they are like terms. We can add, we can subtract. So look it, what is the sign? 4xy it is in minus sign, 8xy it is in plus sign. The plus and the minus we have to subtract it. The 8xy minus 4xy we can write. And here this 8 is greater, so its sign is plus we can write. 4y square is as it is. Okay. So after this, everybody, it is perfect square. X square plus 4xy plus 4y. It is a perfect square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So you can write this directly. A plus b whole square means x plus 2y whole square we can write. How? Everybody, look at here. You know a plus b whole square. Otherwise, I write a square plus 2ab plus b square. If the question is in the form, it's in this form, then we can write here a plus b whole square. It is the formula of a plus b whole square, isn't it? So similarly, we have here x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. This is also a perfect square. This we can write in this form. So let's write here. This a square means x square plus b square. Last one b square we can make, 4y square we can write 2y whole square. This we can write a square plus b square. This a square also became, b square also became here. And now plus 2a we have to make 2 from formula into a. A represents here x into b. B means here 2y. So everybody you know this is a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. That means we can write a plus b whole square. That is x plus 2y whole square we can write. So this I am writing directly. So you have to know it. That is x plus 2y whole square means we can write x plus 2y into x plus 2y 2 times we can write. This is 2 factors of this expression. I think everybody you are clear in here. Now we have to find HCF. Therefore, HCF is equal to highest common factor. Otherwise, HCF it represents the product of common factors. The common factors we have to see. The x plus 2y is in first expression. X plus 2y is in second expression, x plus 2y is in third expression. That means x plus 2y is present in all the expressions. So we have to write only one x plus 2y. This is one common factor. Other common factor also can be there. Let's check. X minus 2y we have here. Here we don't have. Here we don't have. So that means only one x plus 2y is common. This is our required answers. So we can write this answer. So in this way we can do such type of questions. it can ask for 4 marks question in examination, long question in SE. So everybody, you have to be perfect in this question. Okay. So like this, I take some examples here. Other 1 to more questions I do here. Look it. I do here another more question. C number. There is 1 plus 4k plus 4k square minus 16 k to the power 4, comma. Next expression is 1 minus 2x plus y minus x square y plus x square. Here only 2 expressions are given. Okay, 2 expressions. So it is not. This expression is 1 and another is next expression is 1 plus 2k minus 8k to the power cube minus 16k to the power. Okay, this is question. 2 expressions are given here. Only 2 expressions we have. Everybody you can see. One is 1 plus 4k square minus 16k to the power 4, and next is 1 plus 2k minus 8k cube minus 16k to the power 4. Okay, these are the 2 expressions. Now let's factorize it. First expression I take. First expression is equal to, here there is 1 plus 4k square minus 16k to the power 4. Yeah. So here are 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So it is possible to take common, or what we can do. Let's check. Let's apply your mind here. How we can do? Here, if 4 terms are here, either it is in one perfect square formula, or it is in the formula a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, or we have to break the middle term. How we can do? Here, splitting the middle term is not possible. You can see, here are 4 terms, or we can take possible, it is common to take common from first 2 and second 2. Common is possible? No. From here, 1 common we can take 1 plus 4k remains. Here 4k square common comes, then 4k square common comes, then 1 minus 4k square still remains there. So it is not possible by taking the common. Okay, so you can arrange the some particular terms there such that we can take this in the form of perfect square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can take in this form. So better here I have seen 1 plus 4k square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. You can see. So this we can do. This one, let's write in this form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's write in this form a square. A square means this 16k to the power 4, don't do anything. This 3 term. This one we can write 1 square. A square, yes. Now b square means this plus as it is here, this plus also as it is, 2ab we will make later. 4k square means b square we have to make, that 4k square we can write 2k whole square we can write. So that 2 square is 4, k square is k square, 2k whole square we can do. So a square also became, b square also became. Now 2ab we have to make, 2 from formula into a. A represents here 1 we can write into b. B represents here this 2k, so 2k we can write. So this condition is satisfying the formula of this a square plus 2ab plus b square. Everybody you can see 1 plus 4k square, these 3 terms, it is satisfying the form of this a square plus 2ab plus b square. Look, that 1 square is 1 becomes 2 1 is 2, 2 1 2 to the 4k plus 2 square is 4k square. This we can get. So this expressions, there is no difference. Just their form is different. We are writing this given this trinomial, writing in the form of a square plus 2a plus b square, such that it is in perfect. Now it is gone in the perfect square formula. This is perfect square. So minus 16k to the power 4. Now we can put as it is. Everybody is learning. Okay. Now next is
A square plus 2ab plus b square, that means we can write a plus b whole square. Here a represents 1 plus b means here 2k, we can write a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square means a plus b whole square, we can write. Minus 16k to the power 4, we can write 2k to the power 4, we can write 4k square again whole square, because our factorization is not completed. So this 16k to the power 4, we can write 4k square again whole square, we can write, such that it goes in the form of a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square, you know, a plus b, a minus b. So if we do this 16k to the power 4 like this 4k square and whole square, then this is in formula here. This is consider a, this is consider b. Now a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. That is 1 plus 2k. This is a plus b. B means here 4k square. We can write this a plus b, right? Similarly, a minus b whole square, that is a minus b. 1 plus 2k. This is a minus b is here 4k square. We can write. Okay. So these are the two factors by this first expression. Okay. Now next expression, second expression I take. Second expression is the 1 plus 2k minus 8k cube minus 16k to the power 4. There are also 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are here. So let's arrange the terms and let's take common. Here is 4 terms are here. Either it is in the same form like this first expression or not. You can check it here. No any perfect square we can get from it. So here let's take common from this 2 and from this 2 check it. Okay. So here from this 2 we can take 1 common. Everybody you can see 1 common we can take from here. So 1 plus 2k we can do. And from back side this minus we have, the minus we can do. 8 divided 16, so that 8 also we can take common. K power cube and k power 4, then k power cube is common, so k power cube we can write bracket. The 8k cube is already common came, so here remaining 1, and this minus common taken, so minus multiple minus we can do plus here. The 8 divided 16, 8 cubes are 16, and k power 4 we have. So out of 4 we have taken cube outside, and 1k still remains here. So everybody, now you are writing 1 plus 2k, 1 plus 2k we are getting common. But if you try this first expression to do in this way, then you can get to be 1 plus 4k plus 4k square. You can say it, nothing happened. You just for practice. Here, this two you take common, then you don't get like this. Here we are getting 1 plus 2k common, 1 plus 2k common, but here you do not get. Here from this 2, 1 common we can take, then 1 plus 4k remains there. And plus from that side to this 4k square we can take common. Then 4k square common take 1 remains minus 4 divided 16, 4 for the 16 k remains, but here 1 plus 4 to 1 minus 4k is not common, so we can't. So you have to check like this. So all these students, this we have got here 8k 1 minus 8k cube. And here students, still our work is not finished, because here 1 minus 8k cube, it is in the formula way. You have to apply it in the form of a cube minus b cube. 1 we can do 1 cube. 8k cube we can do 2k whole cube, such that it goes in the form of a cube minus b cube. So we can write here this 1 plus 2k we have to put same, and this 1 we can do 1 cube minus 8k cube we can write 2k whole cube we can write. So here use curly bracket because no bracket is used already. That is 1 power cube we can do minus 8k cube we can do 2k whole power cube. 2k whole power cube is 8k cube we can do. So that it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. The a cube minus b cube formula, you know what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? You know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Dear students, you keep the such type of factorization formula in your mind. Don't forget this formula. Remember, very very useful. Without this formula, you can't do this. So it becomes problem. 1 plus 2k and this a cube minus b cube. The a cube minus b cube is equal to, we can do a minus b first of all. That is a minus b is 1 minus 2k. Now a square is 1 square minus ab. No, minus not plus here. ab means here 1 into 2k. ab written plus b square. B square means 2k. What is square we can write like this. The formula I use here. This time formula we can use. So that is using here. Now after this, we can write that 1 plus 2k as it is. another 1 minus 2k. Next factor we are getting. Next factor is there. 1 square is 1 plus 1 into 2k is 2k only plus 2k whole square means we can write 4k square. So these are the factors. 3 factors we are getting. This is the formula by using the formula this. We are lastly we are using a cube minus b cube here. That is 3 factors we are getting from this given expression. Second expression. So now we can write therefore H.C.F is asking. So highest common factor H.C.F is equal to product of common factors. The common factors we have to find here. What is the common factor? 1 plus 2k plus 4k square here. Here 1 plus 2k plus 4k square, that is common. So we can write 1 plus 2k plus 4k square. Other is there or not? Check it. 1 plus 2k minus 4k square. Here we don't have. So only this one is our answer. So in this way we can solve the such type of problem. Okay. Again one more question I do it here. I do one more question. Question is p cube plus 1. I do next question. Next question I am going to do here. D number I do here. P cube plus 1 comma p cube plus 1 comma p power 4 plus p square, p power 4 plus p square plus 1 comma next is p cube plus 1 p cube plus 1 plus 2p square plus 2p square plus 2p. Okay, all these students, this is also the most important questions frequently it is asking in examination. Now here also 3 expressions we have. This is binomial term, this is here trinomial, this is also polynomial. You can see 4 terms are here. So these are all you can say polynomial working again. So this we can say first expression I am going to do here everybody. First expression p cube plus 1, that we can apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. Very easily you can do this. No problem, you can do it. So a cube plus b cube is equal to formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, that is p plus 1 a plus b into a square minus ab. Ab means p into 1. I don't write this directly, we can do ab means p into 1, p we can write plus b square is 1 square 1 we can do. Very simple, this a cube plus b cube formula we can apply. Now next expression, second expression we can take. Second expression we have there p to the power 4 plus p square plus 1. Just before I taught you in previous example in question number 1 also, a number also I have done, it is d number. A number there was one expression like x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Such type of expression I did already. So in that same way we can do this question. So here this we have to arrange this first and last term. P to the power 4 plus 1 we can write plus p square we can write that side. That is we have to convert, otherwise we have to write these first two terms in the form of a square plus b square. That means we can write p square whole square we can write plus 1 we can write 1 square and plus p square we have to keep as it is. So everybody you have seen, this we have to consider a, this we have to consider b. That is a square plus b square formula we have to apply. So a square plus b square formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Just remember it. Then we can do here a plus b whole square, that is a means b square plus b is here 1, a plus b whole square minus 2 from formula, a is here b square into b is 1. Yes. Then after plus b square is 1 square and this this we can do 2ab only. Now plus this p square is putting as it is. This is equal to p square plus 1x whole square minus 2 1 2 we can do 2p square plus this p square we can put. This is equal to p square plus 1 whole square minus plus we can subtract 2p square minus p square. P square we can write 2 is greater, so minus we can write. That is, this is a here, this we have to consider a, this is considered b.
The a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, b square plus 1 plus b, and next is p square plus 1 minus b. We can do. So by arranging, we can write p square plus p plus 1. Next is p square minus p plus 1. So this type, in this way we can do factorize. So after this, okay, after this next expression, last expression we have third expression. Third expression I do here. Third expression, everybody, you did nicely. Third expression is there p cube plus 1 plus this is 2p square plus 2p. So everybody, you can see here. Here are 4 terms. So better you arrange these 2 terms. This already is arranged. From here we can apply the formula a cube plus b cube. And from back side too, we can take common. So better you apply this a cube plus b cube plus 1. We can write 1 cube plus from back side too. Let's keep now same as it is. And here you know this is a cube plus b cube formula we can apply. A cube plus b cube if you know a plus b, that is b plus 1 into a square means b square minus ab means here p into 1, p only we write, plus b square means 1 square 1 only we can write. So here plus these 2 common we can take from here. 2 is common, p is common, so we can take 2p common, bracket 2 already common came, p square, out of p square 1p taken, 1p still remains inside, plus 2p already common came, 1 remains. So now students, you can see p plus 1 is common. Okay, the p plus 1 is common, so we can write p plus 1. Only one common we can take, these 2 common. Now other remaining thing is p square minus p plus 1 is remaining, plus this 2p also remaining, because this p plus 1 common taken out, so we are remaining this plus 2p remaining this line. This is equal to p plus 1 as it is, this p square, this plus 2p minus p, we can write p only, we can subtract 2p minus p only, plus 1 as it is here. So in this way we can factorize it. So everybody, therefore HCF is equal to product of common factors. Product of common factors, what are the common factors? You can check p plus 1 we have here, here we don't have, so p plus 1 is not common. So it should be common in all the expressions, okay? So here p plus 1 here, we don't have here, so here in 2 expressions, first and third expression only p plus 1 common. So we can write this p plus 1 as HCF answer. Now next is p square minus p plus 1, p square minus p plus 1, here also we don't have. Here p square plus p plus 1, here we don't have. So that means we can write HCF is equal to 1. So if there is no anything common in all the expressions, then we can write 1 answer. So 1 is common for all the expressions, so we can write 1. Here p plus 1 is here, in third expression we have, in second expression we don't have. So here p square minus p plus 1 is here also we have, second expression we have, third expression we don't have. That means in all the expressions nothing is common, so we can write 1 common, so that is HCF is equal to 1. So in this way we can do it. So every students, you can confuse in such type of expression. You have to check the given expression first of all nicely, and how we can do, you get idea from there, then only try. And remember the formula, okay, remember the formula. Sometimes this same expression, it can be like this, by making positive, p cube plus 2p square plus 2p plus 1. Question gives like this, okay, question made it this time. So in this way also, we can try by arranging p plus 1, we can arrange it. So by in this way also we can do. Otherwise you can take common here, p square, if you take common p plus 2, doesn't become. So this p plus 1 we can arrange, and this 2 we can keep that side, this like, then we can do factors. So everybody, thank you only this much for today. Other more things we will discuss later. And everybody watch this video nicely and learn or get benefit from it. And other more things we will discuss later. Thank you everybody. Only this much for today. Thank you all. And do not forget to do like, comment and subscribe it. Thank you all.